News just coming in. Ananya Pandey has just reached the office of the Narcotics Control Bureau is what we are learning. These are pictures, in fact, from the Narcotics Control Bureau where Ananya Pandey, who is going to be questioned once again in connection with the drug bust case, has been questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau yesterday also. Her grilling went on yesterday. Today, the NCB has summoned her again. She, in fact, just left her residence a while ago, and now she has entered the office of the Narcotics Control Bureau in Mumbai City. Divyesh continues to be with us. Divyesh, so in just a few minutes from now, the questioning is going to begin once again as to what those conversations on WhatsApp really were about when it came to Ananya agreeing to procuring drugs for Aryan Khan.
Yeah, this is the second round of questioning, second day of questioning for Ananya Pandey. Yesterday, she was questioned for barely 2 hours, after which she was allowed to go home, and she was summoned again today. This morning, she had earlier been called at 11 a.m., but after that, the timing was changed because NCB officials were a bit held up due to investigation. She was called at 2:30 p.m. and it's exactly around 2:30 right now, and Ananya Pandey has arrived at the NCB office with her father, Chunky Pandey, who had accompanied her yesterday as well. Yesterday, Ananya Pandey was questioned by Sameer Wankhede, who is the Zonal Director of Narcotics Control Bureau. Other than Sameer Wankhede, V.V. Singh, who is the Superintendent of NCB and the Investigation Officer of the Cruise drug bust case, he was also present. He also questioned Ananya Pandey. There was a female NCB employee who was also present over there when Ananya Pandey was being questioned. She was questioned regarding the WhatsApp chats recovered from Aryan Khan's phone, where it can be seen that Aryan Khan and Ananya Pandey are communicating regarding drug procurement. Ananya Pandey, as per sources from Narcotics Control Bureau, denied procuring any kind of drugs, denied consuming any kind of drugs. She said that whatever the conversation was, it was a joke. It was just that they were communicating regarding cigarettes. That is what she said yesterday. NCB officials weren't convinced with the answers that Ananya Pandey provided. Remember, last year when Deepika Padukone, Rakul Preet Singh, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor were questioned by NCB officials, they had given similar reasons regarding the WhatsApp chat that had been found, where some suspicious chats regarding drugs were found, and they were summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. After which there were no charges that have been put against those actresses. So Ananya Pandey has also given a similar reason. She's also mentioned that these chats are not regarding drugs. These are regarding cigarettes. Other than that, she has also mentioned that she doesn't remember exactly on what the conversation was about, because it's more than a year old. These conversations that have happened are more than a year old, and that is why she exactly doesn't remember what was the conversation about. Other than Aryan Khan's phone, now the NCB is armed with the mobile phone chats of Ananya Pandey as well. Remember, Ananya Pandey's phone and laptop were seized during raid conducted yesterday by NCB officials at her residence. Her mobile phone's dump data has also been taken, and WhatsApp chats of Ananya Pandey are also being retrieved by NCB officials. And NCB officials could ask if some new WhatsApp chats or suspicious chats have come to light. She could be questioned regarding that. She could be questioned regarding procurement of drugs. She could be questioned regarding consumption of drugs. She could be asked whether how many times she had consumed drugs, how many times did she and Aryan together consume drugs, whether she'd seen Aryan consume drugs, on how many occasions was the drug procured, what were the types of drugs that were procured or that were consumed by both of them. So these are some of the questions that will be put forth to Ananya Pandey by NCB officials investigating the case. Sameer Wankhede, the NCB Zonal Director, will be supervising the questioning. He will be present today as well for the questioning. He himself will question Ananya Pandey along with V.V. Singh, who's the investigating officer of this case.
Yes, we'll just come back to you for more on that. The very latest in this case, Ananya Pandey has just reached the office, the headquarters of the Narcotics Control Bureau, where her questioning is going to start right now. Arvind Oja, in fact, had sent us this report earlier. Take a look.
दूसरे राउंड की पूछताछ के लिए जो अनन्या है वो यहाँ पर पहुँच चुकी है। अनन्या आप देख पा रहे हैं इसी गाड़ी में मौजूद है। नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो आज पूछताछ करेगी और साथ में आपको बताऊं चंकी पांडे वो भी मौजूद है जो अनन्या पांडे के पिताजी हैं। दूसरे राउंड की पूछताछ होगी। आपको बता दूं कि नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के हाथ आर्यन और अनन्या का जो ड्रग चैट है वो हाथ लगा था, जिसके बाद से ही नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम ने अनन्या के घर पर सर्च किया था और उसके बाद समन किया था। आप देख पा रहे हैं जो ये तस्वीरें हैं, खुद ये गाड़ी है, इसी गाड़ी में पहुंची हुई है फिलहाल और अब नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के सवालों का सामना करना पड़ेगा। ये आप देख पा रहे हैं ये यहाँ पर इस जगह पर यहाँ पर अनन्या पांडे इस जगह पर ये निकली हुई है। अनन्या आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगी? अनन्या आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? आप देख पा रहे हैं ये तस्वीरें हैं। अनन्या खुद यहाँ पर पहुंची हुई है, चंकी पांडे भी यहाँ पर पहुंचे हुए हैं। हम उनसे बात करने की भी कोशिश करेंगे। ये तस्वीर हम आपको दिखाएं। अनन्या आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगी? चंकी पांडे सर कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ चंकी पांडे और अनन्या ये दोनों यहाँ पर पहुंचे हुए। हमने आपको दिखाई ये तस्वीरें और यहाँ अब नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो सवाल जवाब करेगी, पूछताछ करेगी। दूसरे राउंड की ये पूछताछ है, मुश्किलें बढ़ी हुई हैं, लेकिन साफ तौर पर जो अनन्या है उनके चेहरे पर भी परेशानी दिखी, साथ ही साथ जो चंकी पांडे हैं उनके चेहरे पर भी परेशानी साफ दिखी। अब अंदर वो दाखिल हो गई हैं, जहां पर नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के मुंबई जोनल हेड समीर वानखेड़े अनन्या से पूछताछ करेंगे, साथ ही साथ वो व्हाट्सएप चैट भी उनको दिखाया जाएगा। कैमरामैन प्रदीप गुप्ता के साथ अरविंद ओझा, मुंबई आज तक।
Devesh continues to be with us. Devesh is right at the Narcotics Control Bureau office. Devesh, in fact, what has been troublesome really for Ananya is that those WhatsApp conversations that the Narcotics Control Bureau has access that goes on to show that even if this was a year ago, there was some conversation with regard to procurement of drugs and consumption of drugs. The argument that it was all a joke and that I did not even know that this is that weed is a drug, all of that, it's unlikely that's going to cut eyes with the NCB, isn't it?
सिद्धेश नाम है।
Exactly. This is the second round of questioning for Ananya Pandey, and she'll be grilled again by the Narcotics Control Bureau officials. She could also be confronted with the WhatsApp chats. There are other evidences that the NCB has gathered. Remember, Ananya Pandey's phone was also taken by NCB officials yesterday when her residence was raided. That phone dump data was also being retrieved. So WhatsApp chats of Ananya Pandey could also be available with NCB officials. So now they are armed with WhatsApp chats of Aryan Khan and also of Ananya Pandey. So this could be more trouble for Ananya Pandey if some suspicious chats are found in her phone, if some suspicious chats are recovered from her phone as well as they were found in Aryan Khan's phone. Ananya Pandey maintains that the WhatsApp conversation that is being shown to her by NCB officials are more than a year old, and she exactly doesn't remember details about it. But she's also said that it was, whatever the conversation was, it was just a joke that they were having, and they were conversing over WhatsApp. She also went on to mention that they never spoke about drugs. They only spoke about cigarettes. So she continues to say that she has nothing to do with drugs. She has never consumed drugs. She has never procured drugs. And that is what she has maintained yesterday while she was questioned for a few hours. Today, again, she'll be questioned by Sameer Wankhede and his team members at the NCB office, where she'll again be shown some more chats that NCB officials have recovered. The details that we have received from our NCB sources is that she could be questioned that it is evident from the chat that you both are talking about drug procurement. On how many occasions was this drug procured? Who helped you procure these drugs as per the chat? Do you directly procure it or from some peddler, or what was the amount of drug being procured on each occasion? Since how long have you been consuming drugs with Aryan? Who were the others who consumed the drugs with you? What was the mode of payment to peddlers? Was it through electronic payment, transfer, wallet or cash? What was the location of the place where you met the peddler or the supplier? Provide names of the suppliers or friends who helped procure the drug. So these are some of the queries that could be raised by NCB officials while Ananya Pandey is being questioned, while she is being grilled by NCB officials in the cruise drug bust case. As of now, Ananya Pandey has not been named as an accused. As of now, she's just being questioned, and that is what NCB officials have maintained, that she's yet to be charged, or she's not being charged as of now. She's being questioned, and only once her questioning is over, NCB officials will be able to decide whether to name her as a witness in this case or an accused. It is yet to be decided by the law enforcement agency that whether she had a role in drug consumption or drug procurement. If her role comes to light, she could be in trouble. She could be booked by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and she could be one of the accused who will be named in the cruise drug bust case along with Aryan Khan and 19 others. But as of now, she hasn't been named as an accused. She is being questioned. She is being examined by the agency officials, and only after the questioning is concluded, NCB officials will know whether she could be charged or not. Whatever information she provides, the information could be used by NCB officials on Tuesday, where in Bombay High Court, Aryan Khan's bail application is to be heard. This new information could help NCB in seeking rejection of the bail application. Remember, Aryan Khan's bail application has been rejected by 2 lower courts, and now is appealed for bail in the Bombay High Court. Earlier also, the Sessions Court had maintained that Aryan Khan's case was a fit case for not granting bail. They've also gone on to say that there are more investigation. There's more investigation that needs to be done. Investigation is yet to be concluded, and that is why the bail has been rejected. As of now,
yes.
Ananya Pandey has just arrived at the Narcotics Control Bureau office, and within a few minutes, her questioning could start.
All right. Also, I want to know what, in your opinion, and what is the NCB in fact telling you in terms of these chats being at least a year old and the kind of bearing it's going to have on the investigations, given that these aren't new conversations?
See, as of now, the WhatsApp chats of Aryan Khan have been retrieved. Those are being analyzed by NCB officials. They are armed with these chats, and that is why Ananya Pandey's residence was raided, and that is why she has been summoned twice now by the NCB officials. She is being questioned, she is being examined by the NCB. Other than Aryan Khan's phone, there is Ananya Pandey's phone, which is now with the NCB, and that phone's dump data could also be taken, or it has already been taken by experts hired by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and this dump data could be used to analyze WhatsApp chats that Ananya Pandey has had, other than Aryan Khan, other than the conversation that she's had with Aryan Khan. If there are some more suspicious chats with some other people that are found during the analysis of her phone, then it could be more trouble for Ananya Pandey, because as of now she is being questioned or examined just for the chats that she's had with Aryan Khan. But if there are some more chats that are found during the analysis of the dump data from her mobile phone, that could be more trouble for her. She could be questioned regarding that as well. And then if she provides some information, if she accepts that she's consumed drugs or she's procured drugs, then she could be charged by the Narcotics Control Bureau.
All right, be with us. We'll also go across to Saurav. Aktania is getting us more details on that story. Saurav, what are you picking up as far as the Narcotics Control Bureau's case against Ananya Pandey, against Aryan Khan and the others in this case is concerned? What is the information that they have with them to build a case against all of these people under the scanner?
So Sneha, first of all, right now the NCB officials only have the WhatsApp chats available with them. There are few drug peddlers who they have nabbed, they have arrested the drug peddlers. The most important thing right now for them available with them is only the WhatsApp chats. Now remember, the WhatsApp chats alone cannot be admissible in the court. It has to be corroborated with lot of evidences and other arrests and the seizure of drugs as well. So right now it's very initial base of investigation. what the NCB sources are telling us that now they have moved little ahead from this cruise drug bust case. What they are saying is they have got the WhatsApp chats of Aryan available with them. Now remember, Sneha, there are total 3 important WhatsApp chats. These are from 2018 and 2019. In this particular WhatsApp chats, there are 2 WhatsApp chats in which Aryan Khan is allegedly directly asking for weeds, and in this and the third chat is about the get together which was going to happen. It is also said by the NCB sources that Aryan Khan has provided the numbers of few drug peddlers and asked Ananya to get drugs for her. But Ananya in her statement clearly says that she does not even know what the weeds is called. She also said that weeds is also called as drugs. She does not know this. The chats which are available with the NCB officials between the Aryan Khan and Ananya is saying that it is about the cigarettes they are talking about. And she also says that the chats are very old. It's around 2018 to 2019. So I don't clearly remember what has happened, and therefore this is the second day of questioning of Ananya Pandey by the NCB officials. Remember, Ananya Pandey is accompanied by father Chunky Pandey, but Chunky Pandey is asked to sit outside. Inside the particular questioning room, VV Singh, the investigating officer, is present. Zonal Director Samir Wankhede and one lady officer is present. Very importantly, Sneha, we have to understand that these are mere WhatsApp chats, and these are the star kids, and therefore their WhatsApp chats, and they will be chatting with many other big celebrities and many other big names. So what NCB will try to do is right now correlate them with the chats and with the questioning of all these people here. They'll try to corroborate the case, they'll try to correlate the case and try to find out they can actually go through the drug peddlers in this particular case. So right now the questioning of Ananya Pandey is very important. That is what the NCB officials are saying. Remember, next week on Tuesday there is a bail hearing on Bombay High Court for Aryan Khan. So whatever information they get from Ananya Pandey can be used for the NCB reply in the Bombay High Court as well. If Ananya Pandey refuses anything, all the allegations, because from yesterday what the NCB sources are telling, that Ananya Pandey has clearly stated that she has never ever consumed any drug. The weeds and the chats which are available with the NCB, that is about cigarettes. She does not even know that weeds is a form of drug. So clearly what Ananya Pandey is stating, that she has no role to play in this. She is not involved in anything. So this is how right now the investigation is going on. The sources are also telling us from the NCB that they have some information from the drug peddlers as well, and that information will also be shared with Ananya Pandey and she will be questioned on that. So this is an ongoing questioning and it is going to take a lot of time. The officers are telling us that today's questioning might take some more time.
All right, sort of getting us all of those details. Also, I'm going to go back to Divyesh for more on that. Divyesh, once again for our viewers, just do take us to the line of questioning. And also, as far as this argument is concerned that she did not even know that whether weed is a drug or not, what are your sources within the Narcotics Control Bureau really saying about this argument that has been given out by Ananya in the questioning yesterday?
Well, Sneha, the line of questioning remains the same. That was, she was questioned regarding this on the same lines of questioning yesterday also, and it is clear that she will be questioned regarding the WhatsApp chats primarily with that she has had with Aryan Khan. So the questions that could be asked to her are: it is evident that the chat you both are talking about drug procurement. On how many occasions was this drug procured? Who helped you procure these drugs as per the chat? Did you directly procure it from some peddler? What was the amount of drug being procured on each occasion? Since how long have you been consuming drugs with Aryan? Who were the others who consumed drugs with you? What was the mode of payment to peddlers? Was it through electronic payment transfer, wallet or cash? What was the location of the place where you met the peddler or the supplier? Provide names of the suppliers or friends who helped procure the drug? So these are the questions that could be posed to Ananya Pandey, and the primary motive of NCB remains that they have to get more and more information, as much information that they could get regarding Aryan Khan, regarding the drug consumption, regarding drug addiction, regarding drug procurement, and again, secondary, regarding Ananya Pandey, if she was directly involved, if she had procured the drug. Because the WhatsApp chat between Aryan Khan and Ananya Pandey clearly indicates that Aryan Khan had contacted her and she had said that she could arrange the drugs. And that is what is visible in the WhatsApp chats that have been recovered by the NCB. And that is why Ananya Pandey's residence was raided. That is why her mobile phone and laptop have been seized. And that is why she's been summoned by the agency, by the Drug Law Enforcement Agency. She's being questioned right now. She'll be questioned by Sameer Wankhede, the NCB Zonal Director, along with Superintendent V.V. Singh, who's the investigating officer of this case. And also there'll be a female employee of NCB who will be present all the time when Ananya is being questioned. Ananya will be posed these questions, as I earlier mentioned, and whatever she reveals. So there's another thing, that if she cooperates or not. So if she doesn't cooperate, then she could be grilled further. They could dig for more information. Remember, there are multiple resources. There's the mobile phone of Ananya Pandey with the Narcotics Control Bureau, from which dump data has already been taken, and WhatsApp chats are being analyzed by the NCB officials. If some more suspicious chats which have some communication regarding drugs, whether it be with Aryan Khan or be with someone else, whether it be with a peddler or a friend, that makes it even more, it brings more trouble for Ananya Pandey, because as of now she is not an accused in this case. She is being examined due to the WhatsApp chats recovered by the agency. But if some more evidence comes to light, some more evidence of her talking about drugs to someone else, so that person also could be examined. And that is how NCB will link each and every person, and they will seek more and more information primarily regarding drug procurement, drug consumption. For drugs to be consumed, it has to be procured from somewhere, be it a peddler, be it a friend, or be it a supplier. It has to be procured. So who was the person procuring these drugs? Who was the peddler selling these drugs? And that is how NCB officials carry out this investigation. That is how they reach the kingpin. That is how they reach the drug cartel or the syndicate to conduct a massive crackdown on the drug menace that has been spreading across the city, that has been visible in the country. And that is why NCB has started questioning consumers whose WhatsApp chats they've retrieved.
All right, be with us. Just going to come back to you in a bit from now. Over to my colleague Akshata, who's telling us why actor Ananya Pandey has been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Here's an explainer.
Why exactly is Ananya Pandey under the scanner now? Why has NCB summoned the actor? Why was she questioned yesterday? Well, for starters, there were WhatsApp chats that were found in Aryan Khan's phone. And now the chats, particularly with Ananya Pandey, is under the scanner. And this is something that the NCB wants more details on. Now, also the fact is that they want to question Ananya Pandey, confront her on these chats and find out what was exactly discussed between the two, particularly about drugs.
Saurav Akhtania also continues to be with us. Saurav, in fact, you were telling us earlier that what happens today is extremely important, and that certainly would be having a bearing on Aryan Khan's involvement as well, because it's not just about Ananya Pandey alone. These are conversations with Aryan Khan, and it could be indicting for Aryan Khan as well, isn't it?
Well, absolutely, Sneha. And this is links after links, because, you know, if you get WhatsApp chats of one particular person that person will having WhatsApp chats with so many other person. Remember, Ananya Pandey's 2 mobile phone are available with NCB officials. They have seized both the phones. One is the old phone and the another phone is which she purchased just few months back. So what NCB will be doing is the NCB will be recovering all the data. Now remember, if you even delete the WhatsApp chat, the agency has a very high-tech cyber team available with them, that the WhatsApp chats which are deleted, those chats also get recovered. Here we are not making any assumptions or speculations. We are not claiming that anyone is culprit or not. What the NCB sources have told us, that what happened yesterday when Ananya Pandey reached at the NCB office, because she was very much nervous, she was very much tense. She was accompanied by her father, Chunky Pandey. He was asked to wait outside. Now what initially, in the initial beginning statement, she told NCB officials, Sneha, that is very important to understand. She told that Aryan Khan and Ananya Pandey, they both studied at an international school in Bandra West. This international school is situated in the BKC area, Sneha. They studied here. Now, Aryan's sister, Suhana and Ananya both are very close friends. They hang out together all the time. Ananya Pandey also said that we have a group of small school friends. We also hang out together whenever she gets free time. So Aryan Khan, Suhana and other school friends, they hang out each other. They have good get-together. And it's a normal stuff which happens all the time. She further states that in this get-together and whenever they hang out, there is no consumption of drugs. She has never consumed drugs. She is not in touch with any drug peddlers. She has not provided any drugs to Aryan Khan. This is what she said. Now what happened is the NCB officials show her the chats which are available with them. What she hears tells the NCB officials that she does not remembers properly all these chats which NCB officials are trying to show her, because these chats are very old. These chats are around from 2018 to 2019. The NCB officials clearly ask her, these chats are about weeds. You are talking about weeds, to which Ananya Pandey clearly states that weeds does not mean drugs, because I don't know, weeds is also called as drugs.
That's an argument that she has presented before the Narcotics Control Bureau. Saurav, we'll come back to you. Divyesh and all my colleagues are getting us every single detail of that big story that we are tracking. For the moment, it's time for a quick commercial break here. The coverage on the drugs bust case continues.